guys, welcome back to J. Kaylee's World, and
Today
we are gonna make a cake. What is he? And
with your
we have all the ingredients.
show them what cake you're gonna make.
We're gonna make.
Let me see
Ugh. I know how to read, Mom.
this cake.
It's
my birthday today.
No, it's not. ¿Qué vamos a hacer hoy?
moist
Un bizcocho, ok. Tenemos aquí la harina, el hoyo, aceite, el green oil, egg, y water, agua y sartén.
Egg.
Okay, let's get started. Actually, add the thing first. Yeah.
The batter.
Your dad is gonna say in Spanish and you say in English, okay?
So we're gonna do the batter.
¿Qué van a hacer?
Vamos al bizcocho, vamos a agredir la harina,
Taylor, what happened?
la vamos a abrir para que Kaden
You put the oil.
Taylor's
La-
gonna put it in.
Let's put it in.
Kaden la pone en el sartén.
10 años más tarde se abrió la harina. Leña. Echarle leña al fuego. ¡Yay! La abrieron.
Okay, ready? Potato pour it in. Potato, wait!
Ya, Kaden le pone bien.
¡Wow!
And then I do the oil.
I'll do volcano.
Wait, put the whole in there.
A big hole.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna do the oil.
Okay, put it in the trash.
Later.
Put it in. I'm mixing. You have to mix like that.
I'm putting in un huevo.
Put in one egg. Can wait for that. Then we keep.
Put it in the trash.
Ayúdate.
We're just gonna. No, we're gonna go like this and then go. Wait, go. Open it.
Wow!
My turn.
I did it.
I'm putting it in the trash.
Yeah, that's okay. That's not good.
What happened?
I'm putting it in the trash. Tenemos la basura.
Bubble.
Y ahora el agua, falta el agua.
Ahora venimos el agua. Ponemos el agua.
I'll put in
Wait.
water.
¿Qué cantidad?
Un vaso.
Un vaso de agua.
1 cup.
One cup.
I want to put it in. Ready, set, go. Just go.
Ahora
See, I was making. Get the spoon.
lo unimos todo.
Now we're gonna mix.
Now we mix.
Scooping it. I'm scooping it up.
Just mix.
Or blender.
Give me this. Get the excess before, after.
Okay, guys. Miren aquí. Lo meneamos.
Ya terminamos de menearlo. Lo vamos a
Terminamos de
poner.
menearlo. Lo ponemos aquí. Siempre tratando de ser clean. Le dicen limpio para que las cosas nos queden no perfectas, pero tratando de hacerla para el perfecto.
I'll do the whole pour. Can I do the whole pour, Mommy?
Half and half. Voltea.
Wow. It's my turn. Trick or treat. Hey, whoa, whoa.
Claro.
I want to see. Two. I like Papi's poop one.
Ahora, ¿qué van a hacer?
Traemos al horno.
Mira, Kaylee. We're gonna put it in the oven now.
I take one.
Be careful, it's hot.
Never mind.
Okay, see you when it's done.
Nos vemos cuando estén, nos vemos. Gracias.
The cake is done, guys. The cake is done, guys. The cake is done, guys. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, take it out the oven. Lo vamos a sacar del horno.
We need baking. Baking oven. Baking.
Vamos a llevarlo para allí. We're back, guys.
We're gonna cut the cake.
We're gonna taste the cake.
We're gonna cut.
Vamos a probar el bizcocho.
I'm gonna cut the in squares, or triangles.
Whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna do a square. I don't know how to do squares. Let's do squares. I know what I'm gonna do. It's my turn. Wait. No, I'm doing that one.
Vamos a probar el
I'm gonna do mine very
bizcocho.
cool. Yes. I don't know how I'm cutting this.
Vamos a preparar el bizcocho en triángulo.
So bad. It's triangle. My turn to cut.
Wow!
Wait, let me keep on cutting. Hey! You cut the other cake.
Graba él.
Mine? Is mine? No, you're gonna cut. That cake.
No, it's hot.
This
We're
one.
gonna cut that one first.
No. Pizza cake.
Pizza cake?
Cakes are always cut like this, but mommy does it square. I want to get my cake.
Hi guys, estamos aquí finalizando el video. Como dice aquí en inglés.
Can it stop?
Dale like, suscríbete
Y comenta.
y comenta. Dios te bendiga, Cristo te ama.
Vamos a probar el bizcocho.
Three.
Está bueno.
And then you can get another three.
Tú no vayas a ver.
I want to eat them now.
Mm.
So good.
How's the cake, Kaden?
How's the cake?
How's the cake, Kaden?
How's it?
How do you like the cake? Did you like it?
Good.
Okay, Katie, how does it taste?
It tastes like butter.
¿Cómo está el bizcocho? Está bueno. Dile a ellos cómo está.
Very good.
I'm taking these. Ready?
Okay, ya. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Gracias por ver el video. Gracias por comentar. Gracias por suscribirte. Y gracias por darle las gracias al Señor. Dios te bendiga.
Happy